Today, Kiking will going to make what?
A pancake.
A pancake because, yeah,
I was
because
first.
maulan, hindi tayo makalabas, so we have to make merienda pancake. Yes.
You
So
mix
what are you
it
going to do?
first.
You
You
mix
mix
it first.
it
Okay, you put.
first. Then
Then
scramble the egg.
scramble the egg.
Then mix
Okay.
it everything. Mix
Mix
it
it everything. Be careful, anak. Be careful.
like a happy face.
Yes. Then we will put first what? Oh, do not touch it.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch
Put in
it.
there.
Yeah. And we mix.
Then put some butter.
Yeah, we will put some butter.
Then mix it.
Wait lang.
Yeah.
So we will put some butter. Oh, you hold it. Don't take that. Take this. Then we will put the egg. Oh, don't take it.
Oh, yeah.
So, kailangan ilagay kasi natin sa isang lagayan yung egg kasi kapag bulok,
You would
pag
like
diniretso
milk.
natin at bulok yan, masasayang. So, to secure, we will put sa isang
I'm
lagayan.
gonna do it.
Okay, you can do it. Wait lang, mami first. Mami first.
Mix it into another.
Yeah, you have to mix it like this. Idurugin
But
natin.
yeah.
Durug-durugin muna natin. What's that? You need to wear your sunglass? I-mix natin yung butter and egg bago natin lagyan ng water. Ang lagkit kasi kapag milk ang nilagay eh.
Ayaw. Ayaw jet.
Okay.
Ayaw. First, when we start,
So,
you
there.
have to mix it with
You
this.
have to mix it properly.
And mix
You have to mix it like that.
this.
And this.
Put what?
Yes, we will put water. Yeah, we will put. Just wait. We will mix it first.
I'm telling the boys and girls.
You're telling the boys and girls. Okay, you're telling the boys and girls what you are doing.
We're making like this.
Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Oh,
We're making like this.
like that. So what's that?
So it's pancake
Can you show
today.
your face then?
It's a pancake.
It's a pancake.
We can stir it with this button.
Yeah, we stir it.
Let's lose it. Take a bite. There's no way. And put the water on it.
Put dummy
Then
water
mix
on it. Yes.
Um,
Do not put dummy water. Do not put dummy water. That's enough. That's enough.
I think small. It's small water.
Mhm.
This
And we will mix it like this. Okay, boys and girls daw, sabi ni King, we will mix it like this, okay?
And sit.
And sit. You have to sit there, okay?
You have to sit.
Mhm.
Like many things. Right? I don't like
I-mix natin maayos. Okay? You mix it
Make a tornado.
like a tornado, yeah. Be careful, be careful! So, yan, pwede na siyang lutuin.
Like that.
Okay, Kiking can pour it. Come here. Oh, be careful, okay? Oh, that's enough.
Why you moving so slow?
Yes, we have to. See? Oh, kung ikaw ay may anak na sobrang sa kalikutan, lahat na lang gagawin mo isasama. Yan po. Oo, not too much. Not too much. Just put nakaluto ako ng 5. So, yung 2, binanatan na ni Burundo. Yummy? Yummy? Yummy your pancake? Oh, you eat na. You finish that one. Say yummy, yummy.